Hey everyone, Happy New Year, and the American dream is still alive and well. Now, whether interest rates are high or low, or real estate inventories vast or sparse, with hard work, determination, faith, and of course, a realtor who has your interest 100% first, home ownership is truly possible. Now, what makes this story so unique is we met clients recently, and this started 20 years ago. Her parents moved to this country, and about 5 years ago, they started looking to purchase a home. They were so determined, they went to open houses every single Sunday for 5 years. They started making offers. They get rejected for one reason or another. They were just about ready to give up on their dream of homeownership. And my partner Dylan and I met them. The first thing we did was we got them pre-approved with our rock star loan officer, Bob Hickman, with Primco Mortgage. He had them approved in about 3 or 4 days. We made an offer for them on a piece of property, and their offer was accepted. So the point is, all things are possible. They were just about ready to give up, but I'm here to tell you, follow the dream in your heart. Now, I saw an Instagram post one with Barbara Corcoran from Shark Tank, and here's what she said. Get a trading card. In other words, buy your first something, whether it's a studio, a 1-bedroom, a condo, it doesn't really matter. But according to her, your first house becomes your trading card. Once you get into your first property, you are 10 times more likely to get your house on the hill. The second thing is this. I've never had a client tell me, gosh darn it, I wish I didn't buy that house 10 years ago or even 2 years ago. So we are here to help you. We want to help you achieve the American dream. You deserve it, and we're here to do the best for you.